is how we have to get outside. So
Let's get into our gear.
let's get into our gear. Whoop.
Those are mine.
I thought they
Don't-
felt small.
Whoa, wait, what?
Hey, what?
Oh, I gotta get my pant leg inside. Hang on, let me put this down.
He's got to put his wine down. Voila. That's why you wear yoga pants. You don't have to
Oh.
mess around with tucking your pants.
Yeah, a little frowned upon with guys.
Watch that
Oh,
first.
careful. That first step's a little moist.
Here was my distress. I found some of my shoes floating today. They fell off the shoe rack. Here's the towel that we were using to wipe the dog's paws. Here's our front door.
That first step, wait, this one
And
was dry this morning.
here's the garage that we so carefully sandbagged
Ooh, nice
to
boots,
keep
baby.
the water out. Not
Yeah.
so good.
Can't go in the garage. These boots
Yeah.
don't make it. Ooh, nice
Here
paint
was my
can.
beet laboratory.
Oh, paint can. Get out of my way, paint can.
This is my beat lab. This is where I used to hang out to do my fitness. Now I'm just gonna drink wine for the rest of my life. Give up on
No, you're
my
not.
Olympic
Just the rest of the week, you mean?
There's my dosey ball loading. It's the office. Here's the storage room. Most of this is all in plastic bins. All good. All good. This chest, not so good.
Yuck. Oh, coons were here. Raccoons were here. They knocked over the garbage.
Oh, garbage is going here too.
Ooh, nice. Nice. Ooh. Underwater Triton trailers, cool. Got that covered.
These are on 4x4 blocks. Fold the cabinets, throw them up.
Nice, huh?
What are you drinking, hon?
Nothing. Pond water.
Ooh, sorry, that's the records
Oh.
the IRS were looking for. You can't say that. That's not funny.
You probably can't say that.
That's not funny.
Shouldn't
they
say
take
that out loud.
serious. They take that serious. Remember Apollo 13?
This morning, pulled the drawers out and put them up high. And just in time because there was no water there this morning.
And here's the thing. The outside water is still higher than it is in the house.
Love them boots. And your wine. Ching.